14 natural cures for sinus infections. We all need to understand that sinuses are small hollow cavities present in the skull and are not more than 1 inch in size. Any infection of these cavities which causes inflammation, caused by mainly a virus or any other causative agent, is known as sinusitis. This infection can be further classified as acute, sub-acute, chronic, infectious, non-infectious sinusitis. The most common symptoms of sinus infection are pain, mucous discharge, cough, sore throat, headache, feeling of congestion, etc. Also, there are a number of agents that trigger sinus infection. Depending on the cause of infection and symptoms caused, there are a number of medications available. However, in this article let us have a glance at the natural home remedies for treating sinus infections. Here are 14 natural cures for sinus infections. 1. Heat pad massage/warm compress technique. Use a heat pad for massaging your face. You can also use a simple towel soaked in warm water and massage it on the face. This reduces symptoms and pain and provides relief against nasal congestion. This is also called warm compressing massaging. You can also simply just take a cotton cloth, heating it, placing on it a roti maker, and use it for warm compress. 2. Inhaling hot vapors. The same mechanism of warm compress is applicable here. Inhaling steam vapors relieves the patient of pain and congestion. Additionally, relief from mucous congestion is obtained and nasal airways start to clear off. Adding neem and tulsi leaves, eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil to the boiling water provides additional antibacterial properties. 3. Increasing fluid intake. Intake of water, fresh fruit juices, fresh vegetables help in keeping body hydrated. This promotes drainage and subsequent removal of mucus and helps in removing mucus from the body. You need to take care about avoiding drinks that cause dehydration. 4. Caffeine-rich drinks. Alcohol should be strictly avoided. 4. Saline nasal rinsing. There are typical nasal rinsing bottles available that are also called lavage for the nasal cavity. Put saline solution in the bottle and rinse the nasal cavity for about 2-3 times a day to remove mucus and waste. This removes nasal congestion and provides relief. 5. Sleeping position. It is advised that rather than sleeping flat at 180 degrees you must sleep at an elevation of 30 degrees. This improves the passage of air and avoids loss of sleep due to symptoms and congestion. 6. Acupuncture. Doing acupuncture on some simple pressure points greatly improves the infection and provides symptomatic relief. You can even learn these simple techniques from an acupuncturist and perform them at home. 7. Ginger tea. Adding few pieces of ginger to your normal tea or green tea is beneficial. Whereas ginger is a great antibacterial in nature, hot tea provides relief from mucus and congestion due to its warmth. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is an excellent healing agent and works against many infections. In cases of sinus it provides great antibacterial effect. You can either consume it with hot milk or mix powdered turmeric with hot oil and instill 2-3 drops in each of the nasal cavity. 9. Apple cider vinegar. A solution of apple cider vinegar in hot water along with lemon juice is effective against sinusitis. You can take 1-2 spoons of this warm solution for about 2-3 times every day for best results. 10. Pineapple. Pineapple contains a substance which is effective against inflammation. 11. Spices. Foods with added spices are known to dissolve nasal mucus, thereby providing relief. There are some foods like pepper, chilies, radish etc. which are naturally hot and spicy and are beneficial for sinusitis. 12. Avoid exposure to allergens. Make conscious efforts of keeping the surrounding free of allergy-causing agents. These allergens might include dust, pollens, pet hair or fur etc. Use of air conditioners and humidifiers is advised. 13. Take enough rest. You need to give your body enough rest. Just taking medicines and other treatments do not help. You need to give the body enough rest so that it can recover well. Resting is also known to be associated with reduced inflammation in the body. 14. Avoid smoking. Smoking causes constriction and increases congestion. Also, it contains a number of irritant substances which act on the sinuses and increase its inflammation along with escalating release of mucous secretions. Take any respiratory infection seriously. Any other respiratory infection will definitely act as a trigger for sinus infections. Hence it must be taken seriously and you must always consult a doctor if you happen to get a respiratory infection. In addition to these remedies, certain immune-boosting agents like cod liver oil or vitamin C-rich foods etc. help boost your natural immunity, thereby reducing chances of infection. If you have tried all the above-mentioned home remedies and still you feel the sinusitis is not under control, you must consult a doctor.